is underneath. Keep coming. Keep them coming. Oh, they're dead solid.
Ooh. You want to
Did a
think?
video here last year. We were messing around, put some Pam on there. So the fried eggs, man, made an omelet right here instead. Oh, it's hot. Keep them coming. Your finger, lay them down. Do me a favor. I want to do my kids' video right here. Oh, keep on there for a second. Let that finger open. I'm gonna do my little.
Keep that line taut.
I'm gonna do my little kids' interview, okay?
Keep that line taut, buddy. Keep pulling in line. Pull.
Another hit. Hit number 3. Hit. Oh, hit 4. Oh, 4 hits on one cat. Oh. 5 hits on one cat.
I think you.
Oh, 6. 6 hits on one cat. Nothing changes.
Yep.
Oh! You see that?
Yeah, I was trying to take it out of the air.
See if it goes back. Did you get that?
Yes.
See that? You had to grab it out of the air. That was crazy. We actually came up.
I'd love to see. Now I've got a panoramic lens on it, so it's way small.
Came up.
But I think I'm going to have a fish in the air on this.
It came up. I just pulled it up. It was like,
That was fun.
that was cool.
Well, I donated my dark glasses.
What, they going to one?
I caught it with my camera, flipped them off.
First man.
Yeah. But it's much brighter now. Come on, Danny, I got you on film, bud. I know what's going to happen. I'm going to put down the camera and you're going to catch the lunker.
It's a big one.
Are these just tour boats? These people just up taking a look?
Cash missions. I think it's 130 a head. It's only,
Really?
only 2 hours.
Oh, geez. So one guy pays for the gas and everybody else is profit.
I don't know if that's much. They're 4-strokes. They don't burn that much gas. I bet you out and back you probably burn gallons.